Hi guys, save the date, TalosCon 2025. Do you know Talos Linux? Well, you must be there. It's gonna happen in Amsterdam in October. And I'm here with Justin, so he can share with us more detail.
Yeah, TalosCon. It's our user events. The third year, second time in person, and it's just a lot of fun. It's a bunch of engineers coming out, meeting people, figuring out how things get built, and I'm always surprised at where people are running Kubernetes clusters. And every year I get surprised.
Surprise?
Yeah.
That's cool. And do you prepare any special surprises for us?
I mean, we don't do the whole conference-driven developments. We try to it's open source. We try to release everything as soon as it's available. We understand not everyone keeps up to date, so it's helpful to be able to reintroduce them to things that maybe we did in the last year. But in general, most everything's like we're not saving anything for like, hey, this is what we built on this date. It's like, nah, it's been around. You may have missed it.
That's amazing. And how do you enable AI workload?
AI is really, I mean, at the bottom layer, when we try to deal with hardware, it's the accelerator and drivers on top of it. And so anyone that's installed Nvidia drivers on top of Linux knows it's a pain, right? You've got these giant run files that are bash scripts that have, it's crazy. So Talos takes a completely different approach with immutable OS, which puts everything at system extensions, which says, hey, I want this version of Nvidia. It mounts it in. We already know it works because we built it all together. We know it's trusted. We sign the kernel modules. We make sure that the whole works together, and it's not like a traditional Linux distro. So getting the accelerator to work and then bubbling that up into Kubernetes makes it more seamless by just removing all those options.
Amazing. So the final user can start working on day one.
That's the goal.
So minutes, not days.
There's still a lot to learn in AI, so I don't know if they're going to be successful in AI in day one, but at least the accelerator should work.
I know, guys. I know because I'm building a lot of AI infrastructure, so I know all the pain, different library mismatch, and how you articulate this discussion. So thank you for lifting the burden for us. And have any new interesting features in Talos Linux?
Oh man, you'll have to be specific. I am interested in some of the new hardware, even at the Kubernetes layer, things like DRA, the Dynamic Resource Allocation. All of that is changing. How pods get to accelerators and how accelerators can be more generic. Where today it's GPUs, tomorrow it's going to be network adapters or new storage or whatever, and just making that more flexible, I find really fascinating at the Kubernetes layer, and Talos being able to pull that into Kubernetes easily because it only works with Kubernetes. Makes some of that hopefully easier to consume.
Well, DRA is the biggest news about this latest release of Kubernetes. I'm super enthusiastic as well. So thank you for bringing it. Well,
yeah,
it sounds a lot of fun. So see you in 1 month, in October. Well, what's the exact date?
Yeah, the TalosCon is in Amsterdam. It's our annual user conference. We just get together a bunch of people. It's more of an engineer fest than a marketing fest, where even though we have sponsors and we have partners that are coming, it's really for a lot of engineers to meet each other and to just learn what other people are doing and figure out how they solved other problems, because every environment's unique and people are running this stuff on very obscure hardware and locations that is always fascinating.
Yeah, I heard some use case of Talos Linux on drone also.
Yeah, we got planes, trains, and automobiles. Data centers are kind of like old systems. Like, I don't know, that's boring.
So guys, if you want to know more, see you in TalosCon 2025. Thank you, Justin, and also thank you so much for your presentation. I just heard that you were part of a team that shipped Disney Plus, and it's amazing, incredible. How can people get connected with you and get more information?
Usually I send people to my website, justingarrison.com. It has all the links to socials and whatnot, and I even have like shortcuts if you want to send me a signal.
Amazing. See you there. Let's innovate more. Bye.